Alright. Everyone can see what's right in front of me, so I think we all know what that means. It's a very special day, and I'm very especially excited. I haven't even opened up the box yet, but I thought I could do it with you guys. You guys ready to see what's inside? It's not quite Christmas yet, which means it's not quite my birthday, but surprises are always nice. I wasn't really expecting this to happen just quite yet, but I feel like the timing was right. It's officially new bike day. And I'm not going to show you what it is yet. I thought it would be fun to see what you think it is and see who guesses it right. Let me know down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.